All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video, I just unboxed the brass Thinamathing V2 Tri in brass. Machine finished brass. This thing is gold. It looks like gold too, but this thing is perfection. It's been so nice, so balanced, not a single wobble, even at really high speeds. Not a single issue. It's amazing. I would definitely recommend you guys pick this up if you can. All right, now let's get to the other ones. I'm gonna open it off camera because there's my address in the front of it. So yeah, let me just go ahead and quickly open this package. Like I said in the last video, Jonas closes these up pretty nice. I think some of the best packaging I've ever seen. There we go. It's like taped to the actual box itself. So yeah. There we go. Gonna put these away. All right, first we're gonna unbox the copper. I'm gonna save the best for last. Unfortunately, there wasn't a machine finish on the copper one, so I just got stone washed. Here we go. Not a perfect cut, unfortunately, but whatever. Here's the box. 973 Thinamathing V2 Tri, copper, stone finished. All right. You get a sticker, the classic blue bag that all of them come in. So yeah. All right, here we go. And as you guys know, I also have a copper Thinamathing V2 in the bar, and also the stainless steel version. I'm gonna put that off to the side for now, and let's see this copper one. Okay, that's nice. The spin is amazing. So as you guys know, the copper bar looked the exact same as this finish right now, but the patina will eventually set in, and then it'll look like this. Wow. I mean, this thing is just amazing. So just so you guys know the weight difference between these two things. $70.4. This one, I'll say 87. Oh, let's go. I don't know how I got that, but I mean, you guys saw, I just opened it right in front of you. I couldn't have possibly known the weight beforehand. Wow, this is great. Let's see the serial number of this thing. So these are the buttons. Made in USA. Thinamathing V2 Tri, made in USA, number Oh my god. Let's go. Number 69. That's amazing. Wow. That's a pretty special number. This is going to be staying forever. Gavin will be jealous of this for sure. I know you're watching this, Gavin. Probably. I don't know. But yeah, this one is number 121. There you go. See, the inside of these buttons and the body is the same color because I guess it hasn't been exposed to the air that much, or my hands, as where the other parts have. Wow, amazing. Now, this is the stainless steel one. This one also came from Gavin. Thank you. And then now let's compare it to the brass. First, let me do the weight difference. $83, and again, 87. Which one feels better? I think copper. It's a bit heavier. Would love to see this thing in titanium, zirconium. Yeah. These are some of the most balanced spinners I've ever had. Copper doesn't even smell that bad because of the stone wash finish, I believe. Yeah. This thing's baller, man. 100% recommend it if you can get your hands on one. Amazing. All right, well, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Don't really have much to talk about. I'm just gonna move on to the stainless steel in the next video, so stay tuned for that. That'll be probably next. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.